Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today I have brought for you an important topic to discuss, which is students toward success. I know exams are near and you've got fear how to write, what to write. Some dreaming to top, some dreaming at least just to pass. Please God. Yes, it's a very crucial time. I can understand. So, students towards success. So, first, we would like to know what is success. Success is what you target, and what you target when you attain that target, that is success. Okay, success is the ability to live your life the way you want to live it, doing what you enjoy the most, and doing the work surrounded with the people with whom you get inspired and to whom you respect. So success, everyone has their own version of success. Some of them define health as success, some define wealth as success, some define fame as success, some define peace as success. It's your life. Every person is unique, and every life is different and unique. So it is your life, and you have to define your version of success. Okay, and do you know the student's life is very important life. Student life is also considered as a golden life. Every life has four stages. The first and important stage is student's life. It's a very it starts with a very tender age to the adolescence age. So it's a very important stage where you learn lot more of skill, hard work, knowledge, determination. So the more the disciplined you are, the more you will lead and rise in your life. The more, if you don't learn discipline in this stage, the next stages you're going to suffer. Okay, so it is better to learn to inculcate hardworking behavior, discipline, manners, and so that it will make your coming stages of life easier. And students life is like being in the warm of a mother, where all your problems, worries are being filtered by the parents, academicians, and your friends. Okay, but once you go out of it, all the problems will be very raw and unfiltered, and you have to face it each and everything by your own. And it will take time. Again, it will take time for you to recover and to come out of it. Okay, but students life is very colorful, very bright, because you are being shaped in the four walls of the college with knowledge, inspirations, aspirations, and it is the place and it is the stage where you build dreams in your mind, later which you are going to build it in the reality. So imagination has to be enhanced in student life. What you want to do, how you want to be, this is the time you should imagine, you should decide, you should start visualizing about it. Okay, after that we have a very wrong perspective, or we can even say it as a very negative perspective towards exam. We say it's as a burden, some say it's stress, some of them cuss why the exams comes in our life, like that, like this. We have a very negative perspective for exam, but in reality exam is nothing but a some kind of a challenge to test our potentiality, our capacity, our inner strength. We can easily determine our hidden potentials, hidden talent. We can come to know when exams are near. And do you know, some students, when they are fully stressed, they are easily able to grasp the subject. It means their brains work more when they are in stress. And even this, in psychology it is there, some stress are very good. So exams are nothing but to understand, to realize our hidden capacities and our strength. Okay, we should be happy that here we teach you the lessons okay, and we give you the dates for your exams, and then you write the exam. Life itself is the most difficult exam, where you have to face the exam first, and then the date of the exam will also be not announced, okay, it will be unannounced, and then the lessons will be learned later. So life itself, we face a lot more challenges, and we try to come out of it with flying colors. Similarly, exams are a very tiny part of it, very minor part of it. Easily we can come out of it with flying colors. Okay, so let's not take exam as a burden, but as a challenge, so that we can understand and realize our potentialities and capabilities. Now I'm going to share some of the easy exam tips and tricks, so that you can write exam in a great manner. First, check the paper pattern. You can go through with the model paper, any paper. Check with the paper pattern how you're going to get the paper pattern, and then how the marks is being allotted. That check the allotment wise, and study all 1 marks. Please don't be lenient with the 1 marks, okay? Go through with the paper pattern, check how the marks is being allotted for each and every section, and then don't even specially give more importance to 1 marks, because every marks counts. We all of us study all 4 marks, 6 marks, 8 marks, but we don't give good priority to 1 marks, which is actually going to add more value, add more points to our paper. Okay, study important questions and answer from the previous years. If you go through with previous 5 papers, that is sufficient. Or else this year first quarterly, midterm, preparatory, model paper, and one previous year paper, if you go through, that is fair enough for you to get good score. After that, manage time. Okay, please manage time. Time management is must. And be early to exam halls, because if you go late, and if you be hurry burry, if you feel anxious, all the you will mess up the full day. So that is why, be early to exam hall, and don't forget your hall ticket and ID card. Understand the question and answer, and write as per your understanding. Do you know, the question paper are being arranged in such a manner: 30% is based on the knowledge, 50% is based on your understanding, and 20% is based on your applications of the understanding. Okay, how you're going to apply the formulas or rules, like that. And you have to give a good presentation. Be confident to answer all. Okay, you should know what is what, and try to be confident. It's the doesn't matter if the answer is not lengthy, but try to attempt it. Understand the question and try to answer to it, and attempt the every questions. Write those answers, write first to those answers where you are confident of. Okay, and maintain good handwriting. In the morning, as soon as you wake up, meditate positive, think and visualize like everything you're going to write, and you're going to get good score, and you're very happy. See yourself very happy. Close your eyes, feel yourself like you have scored 90 plus, 95 plus, 99 plus or centum, and you are very happy, and you are holding your result, and you are very happy. In the every morning, as soon as you wake up, meditate and visualize success. Okay, because Muhammad Ali, the great uh, boxing champion, he said that whenever I have any kind of a match, first I visualize myself winning that championship, later I go and win that championship. It means first you have to win in your mind, so that you can make that winning as your reality. Okay, and be very calm. Okay, don't be stressful, don't be anxious, and don't negative think. Be calm, take deep breath when feel fear of something, and say it's okay, all is well, all is well, and focus. And I say you again, don't keep on uh, run behind percentage. Don't run behind percentage. The more better your performance will be, the more better your percentage will be. So don't run for percentage, run for better performance. So practice. And most important is conquer your mind in order to conquer everything. Okay, because mind is the main thing what you need to conquer in order to conquer everything. Focus and consistency is the key. You have to take daily small steps and you have to be focused. No need to be panic, and no need to hurry. Don't burden yourself that you are going to study full chapters today. No, do take small step. Only give those tasks which you are capable of. Okay, be take small steps and be focused and consistent. It is not like one day you studied, next day you didn't. Not like that. At least try to cover a daily the whatever the 15 to 20 days are left. Not even 15 days, I'll say 10 days. Whatever the 10 days are left, try to be focused and consistent, and try to take small step and make a list. Okay, what and all the thing I have studied, what and all the things I need to revise in the last, and what I have to study. Make a list and prepare, and use mnemonics, use shortcut method, so that you can keep on which should make you easy to revise. And success is just a journey, and you have to go for, and you keep on traveling into it. Okay, success is just a journey, not a destination. You have to target next. Once you complete your one target next. What's next? Okay, because success is a journey, not a destination. So that is it. Thank you so much. If you found this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Comment your suggestions below and share it with your friends, even if they are stressed. Okay, best of luck. Don't stress, do your best, forget the rest. Thank you so much for watching.